Good morning. Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are higher after yesterday's turnaround Tuesday, led by wheat. In the wheat market, there was an article written by a meteorologist that maybe as much as 15% of the U.S. Hard red winter wheat crop may have been damaged and lower production prospects due to winter kill and dryness. There is a chance next week for some rain across that area, but they will need more. And usually crops are made in March and April in the winter wheat areas rather than lost in 1st of February. We also noted that Russia is going to see lowered exports from here on out versus last year. There is some talk that Russia could finally see some rain in the parts of Russia and eastern Ukraine. But right now, the confidence level of that rain event next week is relatively low. Down in South America, we've seen a small window of Brazil harvesting the beans, but now they're getting into green beans, which are not yet mature enough for harvest. And that delay is causing a firmness in the Brazil FOB soybean prices as the market's wanting beans from Brazil to satisfy demand. We also know that Argentina could have some rain next week. Yesterday's maps were a little wetter than they are this morning. So we'll still be watching to see how that plays out. There is a cold front. It looks like it moves through. The jet stream is normal, so we could see some showers, but there's no drought blocking high pressure ridge in Argentina. We also note that today is Meta earnings day. We also have the Fed chairman talking about rates. A lot of people want to see what he actually says rather than what they do. Certainly the President of the United States wants lower rates, but it's hard with the jobs data being supportive for a strong economy. So we'll be watching weather around the world. We'll be watching to see how much of a technical bounce we have with beans right now at 10.53, corn at 4.91, and wheat at 5.49. Outside markets, the dollar's a little bit higher. Crude's lower in front of potential tariffs weekend this week. The president mentioned tariffs on Mexico, tariffs on Canada, and maybe a 10% increase in tariffs on China. We note that there is some concern of retaliation in Mexico and increasing tariffs on U.S. corn.